Hey, good morning and welcome to Awesome Market Analytics member. So at 10:40, I made the short straddle today and again going live with you for this today's trade. Like yesterday, we saw the logic I will discuss with you. Yesterday, we saw a huge, that ups and downs, right? Market was very volatile. Today is also I have checked that if like India VIX is at 17, right? This is you can see India VIX is 17. So high uncertainty is there. So at 10:40, I have created this short straddle with certain logics right here, and Nifty is staying at this zone 23,100 zone, right? Right now it's giving a break. This is a 5-minute time frame, so I'm not expecting that much of dip today because tomorrow is Nifty's expiry, and previous day when we saw the so much volatility and so much big movement, big candles. So today I'm not expecting the markets to happen today. That is one logic. That is the reason why I have taken the short straddle at 8 a.m. at 10:40, right? If I take it to the open interest, you can see that 23,100 two brothers are sitting side by side, right? Almost same volume with you can see this is the time frame of 11:25. Let me simulate this right now. Let me see. Okay, now all writers are writing heavily at 23,100, right? Now the profit is per lot is almost giving me 1,000 rupees, right? Now little drawdown, but the and if I go to the that analyze of the lower part, it is 22,900, right? So you can say almost 60 points away, and yesterday's closing is very important, which was at around about 23,022, which is 23,000. As we know that it is psychological level and very ultimate good support, right? At the resistance, you can see that today Nifty is facing 23,150, right? 23,150. So that is the basically logic of the short straddle. And at the moment, as I told you that I have expected 1,000 rupees per lot, right? So I'm just holding this my trading. Let me see how much it's giving, how much drawdown or how much profit is giving Nifty. Bank Nifty, you can see another logic, the point. Bank Nifty is already made across yesterday's closing and also made a rounding this one top, right? Rounding top. So after that it's broken 40,500, right? And there is a very good opportunity at 11:20, 11:30 onwards or 11:15 onwards, you can see Bank Nifty. But I'm not going with the Bank Nifty. I'm going with the Nifty. There are certain logics. If you're interested, please comment so that I can discuss with you with the logics. Every day there are different logics in the live market. Every day is not a very that it's very dynamic. Market is very dynamic, right? We cannot stay with the one single logic, right? So that is one point with the Bank Nifty. I discussed other points also. The summary is that right. Um, Summary is the today's um, particular. There are two, three. I will summarize this. One is that I have seen the open interest, which I've shown, right? Open interest at 10:40, right? So that is one point. Second is that yesterday's closing is important, volume is important, overall setup is important, price action analysis is important, as I said. Bank Nifty is also in negative figure, right? So Nifty is positive 1920, right? So there are chances Nifty will come down, but I'll tell you another logic. If you can see that today, IT, this is a Nifty IT chart. Look at the 15 minutes time frame. Right? So almost you can say that 500 points up from the yesterday's closing, right? Which is holding Nifty today for further breaking, right? So this is this. There are various things that we have to keep in mind, right? So IT is holding today, all right. So Nifty is not breaking, right? It is holding critical level, that is 23,000. Right. So again, I'm going to the 5 minute time frame, and you can see that yesterday's closing is very much honored by Nifty, right? But banks are going down. So if I go to the 5 minute time frame, banks are going down. So we have a yesterday's low is already breached, right? And the last swing, that is on 48,300, just 40 points away, right? So but as I said that there are certain logics every day that you need to understand before making any decisions. So this is not buy sell recommendations. If you take any kind of trade, you need to consult with your financial advisor, so that that you can gain more experience. And please, if you like my analysis, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Hey, so update as on 22nd January at 1:15 p.m. Right, with one lot you can see 700 good profit that I'm gaining. As anticipated, that it is still holding 23,000, that mark, right? And it is very critical in everybody's point of view, right? So bank is also holding that um, this crucial level, right? 48,000, I would say. 48,000, right? So 200 pound is nothing for bank nifty, but from morning you can see it's going down and face the resistance which I've discussed in my channel, 48,000 750 for quite long time. This is a 5 minute time frame, and if I take you to the particular this time frame, you can see that bank nifty is holding this particular support for quite long time, tested many times, one, two times, three times, I would say four times, five, six, seven, eight. Many times it's tested, right? This particular blue line, 40,700, and when today it's faced many time resistance, you can see close to that, right? After that, almost from day high to 300 points down and low, right? Touched the previous swing. So previous swing not touched actually, but I would say that 48,000 is the main key support. But bank nifty is showing some breakdown failure, that we say sharp breakdown failure from 1 p.m, right? So nifty is also holding 23,000. Let's hope for the best, right? And 1800 in one lot, right? If I would have taken multiple lots, you can multiply with that, right? Very good profit with kind of strategy that currently that I'm showing. Let me take you to the Y changes. This is 12:30. After that, I have not gone through the changes, right? I was observing. Let me just simulate this, right? Let me see, 23,000, right? Let me take the current situation. Right, 23,050 is holding. Tomorrow is the expiry. 23,100 is big, you know, that call right thing happened. Right, 23,050 is the current benchmark for the Nifty, right? That's holding 23,100. I have taken the short straddle, right? So that is the analysis, right, and the latest update. Okay. So you will be aware that what I'm showing at the beginning of the trade is going in the same direction, and you can and see my analysis. You can further, this is a further update. Okay, not one time update, but the further update. So again, let's see till today's in market and how market reacts. Interesting to see. Okay, speak to you soon.